Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was up 0.75% today. Another record all-time close. Really good day, actually, led by tech stocks. The Magnificent Seven, the Googles and Apples and Microsofts of the world, were up actually 2.3% today. Again, they've had kind of a rocky summer and fall so far. So, but nice to see them do well here too. Some nice leadership coming out of this as far as that goes. We're almost to 6,000 on the S&P 500, which I would suppose is going to be a little bit of a barrier. Wouldn't be surprised if we don't kind of bounce off of that a few times. If we're still going to continue upward, then might have a few, pullbacks here before we really get through that. But the market is very powerful. Who knows? Maybe we just go right through. But we're doing the right things. We've had two base building timeframes since July and August. And we're ahead of those now. So they're both now support if the market comes down. So this market has a lot of things going for it. We had the money potentially held back before the election that's now coming in. We've got, the Federal Reserve meeting today and Chairman Powell, saying they're going to lower rates by 0.25% and really seeming to still be okay with the possibility of lowering rates again in December. Didn't say so directly. They never do. You try to read the tea leaves, so to speak. But, back in September, they put out their statement of economic projection. They were expecting a 1.75% cut in total between this year and next. We've just done 0.75% so far. Got one more meeting in December. So, we'll see what happens. Obviously, got a new administration with new ideas and new things they're going to do. The Fed tries to just look at what's happening and not really pay attention to policy per se, because they have to be careful there. But nonetheless, I think, we're probably looking at a rate cut in December. I believe the market, futures market's at about a 70% chance of that right now. So again, these are good things for the stock market. We have $6 billion a day coming in from stock buybacks in November, which is fantastic. We have no new stocks coming on really because the IPO market isn't really happening. So you got more cash coming in and the same number of shares. Demand is going up, supply is still the same. That usually means a higher price in the stock market. That dynamic isn't probably going to change. I do think we'll see an IPO market start next year, and that'll start to change that supply. We'll start to get more stocks on the market as far as that goes. But the basics are there. We're 2 years into a 5-year average bull run. We're 60+% up versus 180% for the average bull run. So these are good things that I think are going to continue to carry forward. All of these things can change based on something crazy that happens. So we'll have to always be aware of that. But, momentum is on the market side at the moment. There's no doubt about that. So good day to be an investor, good week to be an investor so far, actually. Look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. We do not have our show tomorrow. I'll still do a little summary that I'll put out tomorrow for what I saw happening this week. It was a kind of a dynamic week, actually. So look forward to talking to you then. Thank you.